Assalamu alaikum guys, and welcome back to another weekend recipe with Cooking with TJ. Today I'm going to be sharing with you one of my lockdown lunch recipes. So I'm going to be making cheesy boneless chicken baguettes with some homemade yogurt. It tastes amazing. So first guys, we need to add in 3 tablespoons of yogurt. Then we need to add in our salads. So add in your tomatoes, cucumbers, red onions, and some lettuce. Obviously, guys, you can cut it smaller than what I have. Ideally, I should have cut it into small bite-sized pieces, but this is the way I wanted it. So however you guys prefer, cut it in small bite-sized pieces if you wish. If not, keep it like this. So add this in. Then we need to add in a pinch of salt. Himalayan salt or sea salt is really good for you, got a lot of health benefits. Then add in a pinch of black pepper, so you say 1 teaspoon, and then also put in a handful of jalapenos. Give that a good mix so it's all well combined. You can see guys, now that it's been mixed nicely the way we wanted it, we just need to add in 1 teaspoon or 1.5 teaspoons of oregano. So add that in and then give it a nice mix. Now guys, get your baguette slice and slice it in the middle, not completely, so it's still connected, if you know what I mean. So now guys, what I'm doing is I'm adding in yesterday's dish. So we made some boneless chicken left over, so I'm just gonna add that in into here like so. Now it's time to add in the salad that we made previously, so add that in. And then now we just need to put on some cheese. Ideally, if you have Parmesan cheese, I never had that, so I was using cheddar cheese. But if you have Parmesan cheese, use that instead and cover it the whole side. Now that's ready. Okay guys, now we're going to make a butter mixture which we're going to apply to the baguette. So add in some butter, approximately 1 tablespoon of butter, then 1 tablespoon of garlic and ginger paste, a pinch of salt, add that in, and also a pinch of black whole peppercorn as well. So grind that in. Once you've done that guys, give it a nice mix. And now that mixture is ready to be applied to the baguette. Alright guys, so now it's time to add in the butter mixture on the sides of the baguette. So ensure that all of it is covered nicely. So do it on one side and do it on the other side as well. After applying the butter mixture guys, now it's ready to go into the oven for 5 to 10 minutes and then your baguette is ready. So there you go guys, you know, your boneless cheesy baguette with homemade yogurt is ready. It looks mashallah amazing. I cannot wait to dig into this. Cannot wait for you guys to try this recipe. Let me know what you guys think of this recipe that I've shared with you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any suggestions on what I should cook next, please leave them in the comments section of this video. Until next weekend, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.